Ready?
Yeah. Hello, today I'm going to be doing the dog food challenge because I didn't do a salt and ice challenge yesterday, which Kenny did, and Matthew sorted it, but he didn't do it. So, yeah.
For the dog food challenge.
Dog, you need a ball. Sit ball.
Oh my God.
You drowned it in vinegar. You want to take hot dog food? Dog jelly.
Molly's going to be sick.
Your hair.
Knife and fork.
No, just give her the ball.
3, 2, 1. Go on, Mol.
Fucking hell.
Go on then.
Eat it! You're actually No, that's enough, Molly.
Go on.
You pussy! You eat it! If you dip it on the top, Molly, it tastes like vinegar. Eat it proper.
Eat it.
Come on.
Swallow.
Swallow. It's nice, isn't it?
Eat it.
Eat
Go
it,
on.
man.
Swallow. Swallow, swallow.
Just swallow it. Afterwards. You've got to swallow. You've got to swallow it if you need.
Swallow.
Oh, that's trampy.
Molly, that wasn't swallowing it.
I did swallow it. No, you
No,
don't.
you did not.
Just eat that bit.
Eat it. Come on.
Eat it. No, come here. Put it
Lucy's going to feed you. Come on, baby Molly. Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
Eat it. Let me put it into a bit. No, just
eat
eat all of it like that.
Smells really nice, actually, to be honest.
Just eat
Go on, then.
it there.
Eat it.
Pretend it's burger meat. It looks like burger meat.
Never having a McDonald's again.
Just eat it
Mom,
now. Do not
Mom.
put it down.
Yes, I have to cut it down.
Oh.
I'm
Come
trying some
on.
of this. Pass me a fork.
Come on then, Matt.
I did put it in my mouth though.
You did, but you didn't swallow it.
Yeah, because I couldn't swallow it.
You can. Go on. Matthew's going to show you how it's done.
Hi, I'm Matthew.
Go on, Matthew. Oh. Go in the bathroom. That came out of the stream.
Your turn. Oh yeah, look at the dog. Bad.
Why do I have to?
Yeah, you still have to do it, Molly. You win. Matthew did it. Molly,
Fine.
go on, swallow.
I love you, Mum. That really stinks, the sink does.
Take the stick out. Just chew that bloody meat, Molly. Do it. Come on. Matthew did it. You can do it. Go on. Oh, beaten by your gravy, brother. You didn't even swallow it. Molly, you have to swallow it. Swallow. Molly. Molly, you just spat it out. Yes, she did. She swallowed it. She hasn't swallowed none yet.
Oh, I swallowed a massive bit.
I know you did. Come on.
Fucking hell, that was
You-
nasty.
I was eating it.
You baby
Does
brother.
that stink?
Beaten by your gravy, brother. Come on.
Eat that, man.
Go on.
I'm 10.
Molly.
I'm totally against this.
Just
Molly,
eat it.
chew it and swallow it. Molly, swallow.
I can't let me. Swallow, just. Okay, if I get you water, will you swallow a massive bit?
I'll go for it.
the dog food challenge.
The dog's gonna like it.
Oh my god, dogs don't like dog. Trixie, eat the dog food. Yeah. Look at that. Tearing into it.
Molly's a win.
Even the dog beat you. She's 1
Even
years
your
old.
baby brother bet you.
I think I'm gonna die. Okay, so anyway,
Basically,
let's watch that. Look at that. That is my sick. But look, thanks for watching our video on I Dare You. Subscribe, like, comment.
Oh, you got some sick on my finger!
To see our next video.
what's the
Bye.
theory?